There's a storm brewing in the tablet world, and it carries the Apple logo. For years, the iPad Pro has been the gold standard of tablets, sleek, powerful, and always ahead of its time. But what Apple is about to reveal next isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete redefinition of what an iPad can be. This isn't about a slightly brighter display or a bit more speed. This is about fusing desktop-class power with the simplicity of mobility. And it all begins with one revolutionary piece of silicon, the M5 chip. If you thought you've seen powerful tablets before, think again. The M5 is more than a processor. It's the secret weapon behind Apple's future. Built on an advanced 3nm process, it's smaller, faster, and smarter than anything Apple has ever put inside a tablet. With it, the iPad Pro steps into a new era, no longer just a companion device to your Mac or iPhone, but a true standalone powerhouse. Let's talk performance. Early reports suggest the M5 delivers up to 30% faster CPU speeds and as much as 40% stronger graphics power compared to the M4. That means editing 8K video directly on your iPad, rendering 3D worlds in Unreal Engine, and running console-level games that were once unimaginable on a tablet. And thanks to the upgraded neural engine, AI tasks like generating images, translating languages, or assisting with creative workflows happen instantly, directly on the device. But raw power alone doesn't make the iPad Pro revolutionary. What makes it truly exciting is how Apple integrates this power into the experience. Imagine building a full-scale video project in Final Cut Pro without ever touching a Mac. Imagine designing a game environment on the go. Imagine training machine learning models straight from your backpack. With the M5 iPad Pro, this isn't science fiction, it's reality. And then there's the display. Apple is pushing OLED technology further than ever, with rumors pointing to a tandem OLED panel reaching 2000 nits of brightness. That means jaw-dropping HDR, flawless color accuracy, and the ability to edit outdoors under direct sunlight. Paired with Promotion's 120Hz refresh rate, every interaction feels buttery smooth. This isn't just a display, it's a digital canvas for creators and professionals. Design refinements are also expected: thinner bezels, lighter weight, and a more industrial build. Plus, the long-awaited shift, Apple may finally move the front-facing camera to the horizontal edge, optimizing the iPad for video calls and professional workflows. Software is where things really change. With the M5, iPadOS is rumored to unlock Pro features once reserved for Macs. Think advanced multitasking, full external display support, and even a brand new desktop mode when docked, blurring the line between iPad and MacBook. Pair that with a redesigned Magic Keyboard featuring a MacBook-style trackpad, and the next-gen Apple Pencil rumored to have haptic feedback, and the iPad Pro transforms from a tablet into a full creative workstation. But here's the real secret. The M5 iPad Pro isn't just about hardware, it's about the ecosystem. Apple is weaving everything, Mac, iPhone, Vision Pro, even your car, into a seamless web of intelligence. The iPad Pro is set to become the central hub of that future. Start a design on iPad, view it instantly in AR on Vision Pro, finish rendering on your Mac, all without saving or syncing a single file. This is Apple's boldest step yet. A tablet that doesn't just compete with laptops, it may replace them. A device that's not only for casual use but for serious creativity, serious productivity, and serious innovation. And if the rumors are right, we'll see this unveiled in October 2025, perfectly timed for the holiday season. Pricing is expected to start around $1,099 for the 11-inch model, with higher-end configurations pushing past $2,000. So here's the question: is the M5 iPad Pro the laptop killer? Or is it something bigger, a glimpse into Apple's vision of the future of computing? One thing is certain, this isn't just another iPad. This is the beginning of a new era. And trust me, this is only the beginning of the story.